So you've got a new product that you want to develop, but it's really an improvement of an existing patented product. Can you move forward? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm, also a patent attorney who's been helping inventors for over 10 years achieve almost 500 patents as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. There's a link to that book right below in our Inventor's Kit, so be sure to click on that link after watching the video here today. So we got this question out of our Reddit pool. This is about an existing product that someone saw, and they did some research, kudos to them, and found that that product was already patented. They've got an improvement, a way to change it and make it more a different function or different overall benefit. Can they seek a patent on that? And the answer is yes, absolutely. It's a different question to ask, can I go sell that completed system on the free market? That answer would probably be no, without permission of the underlying rights holder. So in these kind of situations, it's an improvement. It's another iteration or version of an existing patented product. This happens a lot. Most patents that are issued today are actually improvements of underlying technology. Usually, though, that underlying technology is not patented, right? It's sort of been out in the public for more than 20 years. So this situation, if you're going to be moving forward, you want to make sure that that incremental change, that version 2, is substantial, that it really does make a large amount of improvement or benefit that the market would be willing to pay for. And one of the major reasons for moving forward with patents is to make money, to make it commercialized and get a return on your investment. So understand the market, how big is it, what's the current demand for the underlying product that you say is patented, and your improvement. Is that improvement going to be so significant to warrant a huge amount of buyer demand? And if it is, or you think it will after doing some research, that would probably make sense to move forward with a patent and with a plan to hopefully license that technology to the company or the individual that is currently selling the underlying patented product that you've improved. And offer that version 2, say, here it is, I want to work with you and collaborate. And likely, if you do a deal well, you can get a royalty deal or an outright sale of your patent to commercialize it without you having to open up business at all. It's a very cool option. It is hard to do, but you want to follow that kind of track I laid out for you to make sure that you're really thinking about each step of the process before you invest further. So if you have any questions about this, please do click below, download that Inventor's Kit, learn about what it's like to do patent research, application filing, and getting help from an attorney to do it right, so you can end up getting that financial reward that you deserve for bringing the innovation forward. Glad I could talk with you here today. I hope you tune into our next show. I'm JD Houvener here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Go big, go bold.